Hello everyone. Let's dive into the KSUN ZL8668, a device that aims to bridge the gap between traditional two-way radios and modern cellular technology. This isn't just your grandpa's walkie-talkie. It's a 4G network radio with UHF capabilities, Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth, dual PTT, GPS, and even Type-C charging. The KSUN ZL8668 is designed for long-range communication. It utilizes the 4G network for potentially limitless range, unlike traditional radios limited by distance and obstacles. It also has UHF for local communication. This makes it suitable for various applications, from security teams and event organizers to outdoor enthusiasts and anyone needing reliable communication over vast distances. One of the standout features is its dual PTT, push-to-talk. This allows the user to transmit on either the 4G network or the UHF frequency, providing flexibility in different communication scenarios. The inclusion of GPS is also a plus, enabling location tracking and dispatching capabilities, which can be crucial in emergency situations or for coordinating teams in the field. The device feels solid and well-built. The buttons are tactile and responsive, and the display is clear and easy to read, even in bright sunlight. The included antenna enhances the UHF signal, ensuring clear communication within its range. The Type-C charging port is a welcome addition, making it convenient to charge with modern chargers and power banks. The KSUN ZL8668 also boasts Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing it to connect to local network for data transmission and potentially reducing reliance on cellular data in areas with strong Wi-Fi coverage. The Bluetooth functionality enables pairing with headsets or other accessories for hand-free operation, which is particularly useful when on the move. However, there are a few things to consider. As a 4G network radio, it requires a SIM card and a data plan to operate on the cellular network. The cost of a data plan should be factored into the overall cost of ownership. The UHF range is subject to the same limitations as any other traditional radio, with range affected by terrain and obstacles. The KSUN ZL8668 is a versatile communication device that combines the best of both worlds: the long-range capabilities of cellular networks and the direct communication of traditional UHF radios. Its features, such as dual PTT, GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, make it a powerful tool for various applications. While the need for a data plan is a consideration, the benefits of extended range and advanced features make it a compelling option for those seeking a reliable and feature-rich communication solution. It's a solid choice for anyone needing more than just a standard walkie-talkie.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.